Yeah, and now I see you have the CC, which I want to talk to you about because I don't know
Hmm.
anything about that. You've got the CGRC, which
Yep.
you have a book on. If you guys want to check out the free book that Ryan wrote, just check it out, and links in the description. He's got the ISSMP, which used to be a concentrate of the CISSP. He's got the CASP, he's got the CYSA, he's got Security Plus and Network Plus. Out of all of these certifications, which one would you say is the most has been the most useful to you? Like it the information in there aligns with what you actually have done. It was just really impactful to your career. Okay, let's separate it because I
Yeah,
know.
I think you're where I'm going to go with that.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, so the one that's obviously the most impactful in terms of getting noticed by recruiters is CISSP because that
Yeah.
is the gold standard. That's the one that everybody looks for. And search words and the people that do the data analysis and build those beautiful graphs, they'll show you that recruiters are searching for CISSP number one.
Yeah.
The most relevant, based on my current line of work, is the CGRC. And I had people, and maybe we know some of them together, question why I would go get CGRC after CISSP. It was because
I did the
I just had
same.
a chip. I had a chip on my shoulder, but also I wanted to prove that I was trained, certified, experienced in a particular lane. I wanted my career and focus it into one area, and
Yeah.
I felt by chasing CGRC, I would do that. Um, CGRC and CASP, I did not pass them on the first try, and when I failed CGRC the first time, I took a year, and that's when I started working on the book. Where the original version one of the book was written by Jim Meineke. I reached out to him and said, "Hey, I want to work on this thing," and he dismissed me. He didn't not say no, but I said I want to elevate it to version two, and he goes,
Awesome.
Show me what you got, and then we'll talk." And I did, and I helped build out basically the first 20 pages of that document. So we basically took it from 28 to 38 pages, and he had done all the hard work on the spreadsheets and that study guide. He had done all the hard work of the mappings. I just ended up doing a lot of the typing and rewriting a lot of the concepts for that. I did some cleanup on some of the formatting stuff, and there's still some errors in there on formatting. I need to go back in and fix, and so maybe I'll get like a version 2.1 or 2.2 here pretty quick. But yeah, once I'd shown him what I was doing, he got all excited, and he gave me all the source files, and then allowed me to go hog wild with it and
Awesome.
build it
Awesome.
out. And I've a couple of different people have asked me, why is it the mango? I just knew Jim had chosen the mango, and I've got a side project to build out a pineapple for CASP. I've about that effort stalled. I need to go back through and redo that one. We all know that for one of the preeminent study guides for CISSP is the sunflower, which is sunflower-cissp.com. I had nothing to do with that. That was a group of professionals that worked on that many years ago. I'd found Jim's work, and he had labeled it the mango, and so I think it's just a fruit or seed theme that we have going for the different study guides out there.
For those of you who don't know, CGRC, it stands for Certified Governance Risk and Compliance,
Right.
formerly called the CAP from the ISC2 squared. And its
Yep.
focuses on it's on government GRC, like federal GRC, which focuses entirely on the NIST 800 risk management framework standard. It's right now it's the top certification that I know of as far as marketability is concerned for a GRC professional. There's
Right.
other ones out there that I've heard of, but the one that is right now most marketable is the CGRC. I'm hoping that there's some other competition out there as far as certification because any the more certifications that we have that are marketable, that mean when I say marketable, people know about it, what it is, and stuff like that. The more it helps us out as professionals to use that as part of our title. You can go out there and take it and prove that you know that information and then show that to an employer. Yeah, check it out. It's a free resource for you. Link in description.